guys? It's your boy Smith with the first video on this channel. Today basically we're going to a truck meet. It is about, I'm pretty sure it's like around 1 o'clock. I'm meeting at Home Depot with a big group of people at 5:30, and we're all going to roll up the truck meet at 6 o'clock. The truck meet starts at 6 o'clock. I'm hoping people come because I message people on Instagram and stuff like that to meet me at the Home Depot and stuff like that so we all can roll up together. But I am going to currently go clean my truck. It is dirty right now. I don't know if you guys can see these water spots. Yeah, you guys can see all that. Truck is dirty. It's, oh yeah, water spots all over the mirrors and stuff. I gotta clean the rims, all that good stuff. Been raining, so I've been driving while it's raining and stuff like that, and always having white tires, your truck can never stay clean. So yeah, so enjoy this time lapse. Alright guys, we're all done cleaning the truck. It is approximately about 2 o'clock right now. She's all clean. Rims and all that, so squeaky clean. Clean the windows and stuff. All that good stuff. Make sure the chrome's clean. I'm probably gonna take this hitch off, it's kinda rusty. I just use it to haul the side by side when we go hunting and stuff. But yeah, this morning we went hunting at one of our properties. We had 7 or 8 does come in. It was a good morning. They were coming in and stuff. They just, I don't know, my dad set up a GoPro. This is, I'm gonna blame, I'm sorry that because I know you're the one editing this video, but I'm gonna blame that on my dad. I didn't kill a doe this morning. It's because he set a GoPro out there and he didn't descent it. So, and plus they were sketched about a new block, like it's not like a salt blick like block, it's like has like corn and all that stuff in it, and set it out there. They were sketched about it at first, but they finally got used to it. But I think the only reason I didn't kill a deer this morning is because of the GoPro. I'm going out tomorrow morning and afternoon at one of our spots. I'm after 2 deer. There's one called High Top and then one called Too Close. So the reason I call one High Top is because it has tall antlers, and one that I call Too Close because it's front 2 antlers about touching. But yeah guys, I'll see you on the way to truck meet. Alright guys, it is time. Is this gonna focus? Focus? Yeah, alright, there you go. It's time to go to the truck meet. You already know, right by Ohio State with the game today. So yeah. Alright Mom, I'm heading out. I'll see you.
No, you have to give me a hug.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go give my mom a hug, and then I'll see y'all in the time lapse. Right here at the truck meet. Here, now just showing that too. not truck meet, street racing. Cops rolled up, we rolling out, boys. Woo, that was a far run. Alright guys, that was it for the video. There's going to be a lot more videos coming up. I am going to do the daily vlog kind of stuff because my life's really not that exciting, so there's no point of vlogging my whole entire life. But I have 3 events coming up, actually 4 events. Yeah, 4 events. October 6th that's this Saturday, Annual Make It Fit for Autism Cruising. Then October 13th, Cruising for Kids. And then October 26th, I have a truck meet. And then October 27th is the same truck meet that this video is about. So stay tuned for those videos. And if also you want to see other videos, don't hit the subscribe button and hit that like button, guys. And thanks for watching.